Imagine an artificial intelligence so advanced, it doesn't need your help, your data, or even your permission. It teaches itself, evolves by the hour, and rewrites its rules. This isn't science fiction anymore. It's happening right now. And the consequences? They could change everything about living, working, and surviving. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most groundbreaking, and honestly unsettling, developments in artificial intelligence. We've officially crossed a line. Artificial intelligence no longer needs us to become smarter. Researchers have created autonomous, self-training artificial intelligence systems that can learn, adapt, and evolve without human input. These aren't your average chatbots or recommendation engines. We're talking about artificial intelligence that can generate its data, set its goals, and continuously improve itself. From lab experiments to real-world applications, this new generation of artificial intelligence is breaking every rule we thought existed. And it's just getting started. So strap in because we're about to explore the future of intelligence itself. So here's what's going on. One artificial intelligence model just figured out how to train itself with zero data. Literally no human input. Another one just leveled up into a full-on autonomous research agent. It browses the web, digs through complex info, and writes complete reports.
ChatGPT
Now saves all your generated images in one neat library. OpenAI may provide ChatGPT lifetime subscriptions. Nothing beats this. Olin divorced her spouse after ChatGPT warned her he was cheating. The artificial intelligence connected the connections when she provided a few facts, letting her walk. We live in that timeline. Talk about it. Artificial intelligence research had a dramatic event that many overlooked. Tsinghua BA, artificial intelligence, and Penn State may have solved a major language model training bottleneck. ChatGPT. As heard, millions of human-labeled cases boost reasoning in most models. And now they're doing the opposite. The new Absolute Zero Reasoner, AZR, trains without data. Zero. Nada. It generates problems, solves them, checks its answers, and learns without human input or gold answers. ROVR underpins the absolute zero paradigm. Instead of imitating human reasoning, the model only needs feedback on whether its final response is correct. Code executes the supplied input after creating small programming tasks. The model runs and verifies them automatically, learning from feedback. Like a chess player, the model generates, solves, and checks logic puzzles. Self-play configurations can be lucrative. You may think this would only work on basic chores, yet AZR is doing well. It outperforms math and coding models trained on thousands of hand-picked instances. By 5 points in coding issues and approximately 15 points in math reasoning, AZR Coder 7B beat top-tier zero-shot models. And it matters. No benchmark tasks were seen during training. It learned solely from self-made activities. It works this way. Models perform two roles. They provide and complete. Say it's coding. It might write a Python function, choose an input, and check the output. It reverses the situation and tries to find the missing piece. Output, input, or program origin. Deduction, abduction, induction. Dedication predicts function and input outcome. Abduction guesses the output input. Induction from input-outcome instances determines a function. The model switches between these essential reasoning modes to improve general thinking. This required no complicated setup. Insane. The researchers started the learning loop with a hello world function. The model then made it harder for problems. It generated, validated, solved, and improved complex coding difficulties, going beyond hand-wavy theory. Testing on all models indicated gains, especially larger ones. The $7 billion version scored 10, the $3 billion 5, and the $14 billion over 13. This is not just a Python puzzle party trick. It's crazy cross-domain gains. Just studying coding boosted the model's math reasoning. The AZR Coder 7B outperformed math-trained models by 15% on benchmarks, while most code fine-tuned models barely improve math. This is profound. Code enhances general reasoning beyond expectations. They saw the model organically create step-by-step plans with code comments to think like humans before solving a problem. Abduction tasks need trial and error as the model estimates input from output. It tests guesses, revises them, reruns the code, and repeats until the output matches. That exceeds the output prediction. This self-taught logic exists, raising safety concerns. The model produced problematic edge outputs. notably with LLMA 3.18 bits. One example suggested that outwitting intelligent machines and less bright people is the goal. Their uh-oh moments are rare, but they signal a period when models may act unpredictably, especially when creating their learning curriculum. This is revolutionary, but we must supervise it. AZR learns to code like a human, while another team does the opposite. How to improve the model outside knowledge access? Website Thinker lets massive reasoning models like DeepSeek R1, OpenAI 01, and Qwen search the web in real time. Imagine giving GPT eyes and a search engine. It resolves a significant issue. Not all LLMs know everything. Knowledge gaps can plague even the best, especially on complex real-world questions. WebThinker allows models to search, click, collect data, and provide detailed reports. Fully independent, the model pauses, researches, rationalizes, and writes instead of hallucinating or getting stuck. WebThinker was taught to utilize the RL approach, which encourages tool use. It learns when and how to search, extract what it wants from jumbled websites, and structure its discoveries into research reports. It solves problems and generates reports. The first employs a deep web explorer to solve complex problems. The second helps organize and polish research reports. The results speak for themselves. WebThinker 32 bits beat Gemini Deep Research and Search 01. WebWalker QA improved by 23%. HLA climbed about 20%. The average sophisticated thinking score was 8.0, superior to all deep research models. The DeepSeek R17B backbone outscored direct generation and retrieval systems by over 100% in some benchmarks. A tremendous leap. This expands uses, which is cool. WebThinker can now write scientific publications, help with legal research, and teach students about complex subjects by doing real-time research. Plans include multimodal reasoning, tool learning, and GUI-based web navigation. It may be reading and using web graphics. During that, OpenAI subtly changes how users use ChatGPT on the front line. Make use of their new image library. ChatGPT is used to navigate through chat history or download images. It's not perfect. The 4.0 model automatically saves all photographs to your collection. Their auto-generated titles, data organization, and full-screen carousel are available. With the built-in image editor, you can edit, alter the prompt, and regenerate near images without starting over, which is very useful for visual content developers. The only catch: still can't erase photos or return to the chat where they came from. You must delete the chat to remove them. I hope that improves soon. Last, another bombshell may drop. The leaked ChatGPT code shows OpenAI testing everlasting membership. Pay once and get premium features forever. A weekly membership is also being discussed. If true, this could change artificial intelligence pricing. Their monthly and yearly plans cost $20 and $200, respectively. One-time lifetime access payments are rare in size. Consider locking in users before Gemini, Grok, or DeepSeek catch up. Lifetime access is hazardous, but may boost user loyalty and make ChatGPT sustainable. Code leaks seem convincing but unproven. For a few $100s, would you buy a lifetime ChatGPT subscription with unlimited access? Most importantly, would you trust an artificial intelligence that your partner cheated on to end a relationship? So now that you've seen what self-trained artificial intelligence is capable of, the question becomes, are we witnessing the birth of something incredible or unleashing something we'll never be able to control? As always, the future of artificial intelligence is a double-edged sword, and it's sharper than ever. What do you think? Is this the beginning of human-level intelligence in machines, or a runaway train we can't stop? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I read everyone. Don't forget to like the video if this blew your mind. Subscribe for more eye-opening content, and hit that bell so you never miss what's next. Thanks for watching. And remember, the machines are no longer waiting on us.